Nike Total 93. White Gum 2025. The brand's SNKRS Showcase included a lot of gaudy pairs. In the Nike Mercurial series, patent leather accents on the black and silver models brought back memories of players like Frank Ribery, Zlatan Ibrahimović, and Cristiano Ronaldo controlling the field. But a more subdued appearance from a recently discovered white gum would have been dreaded on any indoor field in the middle of the 2000s. The silhouette that Luis Figo endorsed chooses a semi-transparent makeover for its most recent appearance. Shades of white are used throughout the simple ensemble, and the distinctive marking of the Total 90 series can be seen on the lateral heel, off-center tongue, and medial midfoot. Underfoot, the gum outsole harkens back to the heyday of Nike football while enabling casual fashionistas to maintain footwear versatility. SRP is $100.